Hi everyone, my name is Israel, and today I want to talk about a very important and special moment in my life. This photo was taken in August 2018 at UPC University during my sister's graduation ceremony. In the picture, you can see my sister Jimena and me. She is wearing her red graduation gown and holding her diploma. It was a very exciting and emotional day for of youth. She graduated in law, and it was a big achievement for her and for your whole family. They were my people, their family members, friends, teacher, and student. Everyone was happy, taking picture and celebrating. The atmosphere was full of pride and joy. This moment was very special for me because Jimena is a big example in my life. This moment was very special for me because Jimena is a big example in my life. I really admire her. She is smart, responsible, and determined. Watching her success made me feel proud and also motivate me to work harder in my own goals. Today, I told myself, it she can do it. I can do it too. Her success puzzled my to focus more on my students and believed in myself. Since that day, I be feel more determined to become a better student and person. In the after photos I will show you can also see my parents with my sister. Selena celebrating her success, they were very proud, and I was too. My sure a very big, beautiful family moment that I will never forget. This experience taught me the value of every young person's permanence is also remain my of hope important is to have people around you who support and experience. Thank you.